Welcome to another Universal update. It is the 14th of January and it is 81 degrees. And I'm happy, everyone else is probably miserable. I'm actually going to start here in Citywalk because just when I thought that Citywalk wasn't going to change much for a while, the Island Clothing Company is closing today. This is the last day, so let's walk in and take a look at what the store looks like the day before it closes. Hopefully you didn't enjoy shopping here very much because something new is coming. Alright, so this side, Quiet Flight, is going to remain open. This side this is the last day of this store operating and will be closed as of tomorrow. Fortunately, by the time you see this, it's too late to take advantage of the sale. But still news. Hopefully I can get this up by tomorrow. Of the video, I mean. Well, I guess I don't always look up at seaboats. Sometimes it's a surfboard. That's not on sale though. One last look at the store. And also already closed is fresh produce. Fun fact, they never sold fresh produce. But if you like Quiet Flight, I don't understand the name Quiet Flight, I have some good news for you, sunshine. As of now, this store is not set to close anytime soon, although it is Citywalk and it might close someday, but it's safe for now. On the topic of all these stores, here's the Universal Studios store. It has been here, I believe, since Citywalk opened. And next to it is, of course, Big Fire. Just a side note on that, I've tried the burger here twice, not impressed, but the half chicken is very good and expensive. Alright, on the way over I spotted this for the first time ever. I don't know why I haven't spotted it before, but I guess I don't walk over this area, but seriously, it looks like they were building a walkway and they just stopped. I don't... Put in the comments, if there are comments, because that stupid Copa thing, if you understand why this exists. I mean, is it really that much different of a view? I know it's been about a week, but I definitely appreciate coming in here and hearing this music and not Mannheim's Steamroller Christmas, Christmas, Christmas. Once again, Christmas is contained in the port of entry Christmas store. Still looking for that Halloween store. Want to know the menu for Confisco? Aw, too bad. Maybe someone broke their sign, I don't know. Actually, just ask this guy. And the Mistletones have finished performing here, meaning that this is going back to being just a waste of space here in Islands of Adventure. Speaking of a waste of space, this used to be something. Leave a comment below if you know what this used to be, and because of Copa you might not be able to leave a comment, so feel free to follow me on Twitter at @thatorlandave. One away from getting to 50 followers, so that'll be cool. I'm actually going to re-upload my Easter eggs of Islands of Adventure, but as separate videos per island, the biggest one being Marvel. However, since I'm going to be doing a little bit more shooting for that video again, if you know of anything in here, any Easter eggs that I somehow missed the second time around, please leave a comment. Of course, back in December, Popeye and Bluto's Bilge Rat Barges reopened, and of course, as you saw before, the ride wait time is only 5 minutes. It's often very low, which is strange because it's a really great ride. And speaking of a lack of wait time, another thing that's a surprise is that Wimpy's is open and on a non-peak time, so maybe it'll be open all year now as opposed to not at all like it was not that long ago. Over here, there are the lockers for Popeye and Bluto's Bilge-Ride barges. These are not necessary because you can bring a bag onto the ride and it will not get wet. You definitely will, but the bag will not. Never realized that they have 3 people dryers here. That's a lot in a short amount of space. But there are sometimes long lines for this. Just go early and let the sun dry you off. And don't go right into the air conditioning unless you like it cold. Oh, come on. There used to be so much more water that came out of that. Oh look, Kathy's Ice Cream. There's another place that's rarely open. I thought it was seasonal. Because if you walk down that way to Marvel, not very far, there's another place that sells ice cream. Once again, as it is every year, the Jurassic Park River Adventure is closed for refurbishment. This is not like it's broken or something. It's just every year they close it, give it a thorough cleaning. Water rides need more cleaning because of the chemicals used, and basically they just need to clean it. And normally it's not 81 degrees in January. But Popeye and Bluto's Bilge-Ride barges, you saw, is open, and so is Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls, which will be closed next for refurbishment. Going back to Jurassic Park, a while back they put in this walkway, which is a temporary redirect because of all the work on the whatever it is here. And more recently, this closed because of the refurbishment. And if you wanted to sit outside, burger digs, well, not going to happen today. At least not on this side. Ooh, is that a chainsaw? Oh. I didn't realize or remember until recently that there's supposed to be a flame here and a flame here. The one over here has been on lately, but not again. Although it's many times have come through here and one or both of those have been off too, so. I said this once before in a video, I believe, but this is something I never thought I would ever see. Green Eggs and Ham actually open, although they've sort of modified it. It's more like pizza fries with tater tots, but still it's open. Now you might be thinking, but Dave, I thought you don't like Seuss Landing. Well, that's true, but here I am. I have to try some Green Eggs and Ham. And here is what you can get. The s'mores looks good, but I mean, I'm here, I might as well get the Green Eggs and Ham. Here again is the menu. Oh, look who joined us. And here it is, and yes, I got out of Seuss Landing as soon as I got my food. It's pretty good, but the cheese sauce is the weak point for me. It's really low quality cheese. The rest of it's pretty good though. The eggs are kind of tasteless, but they're okay. Well, I think that's enough for today. Should probably head to Universal Studios. My feet will take me. Now over here at Universal Studios. It's once again that time of the year for there to be a miniature soccer field here in Music Plaza. Crazy money. All the Christmas stuff is gone, which is awesome. But there's something even more awesome. Mardi Gras! Yes, setup for Mardi Gras has begun here at Universal Studios, Florida. These are all the food tents, and obviously over time, not very much time, very soon, there's going to be more put out here. As usual, in this very spot will be the guy with the bulging eyes and the horn. coming soon. Although just like Islands of Adventure, Christmas never fully leaves the park. And more food tents. More decorations coming. Well, tonight there'll be some more put in. February 1st is the first night of Mardi Gras. I'll be there. Well, I didn't expect to see a band set up here today. Now that we have finished with Christmas, we used to move on to, well, hold on. Well, once Christmas finally ends, they used to go into the celebration of Harry Potter, but now they go into another celebration of Jesus. Because, you know, Christmas is too. Which is Rock the Universe. That's what this is set up for. But apparently there's a band playing on there tonight. Not for guests though. Day guests, I mean. It's probably a private event, private party. If you're wondering, the former Cyber Image store is still closed for reasons. And of course over here, the Born Stuntacular, coming soon. It will be opening in a few months. Aren't we all excited? Yay. Here's a meet and greet without the meet and greet music. Interesting. Can't show you right now, but another thing that is open that normally isn't, and I guess it isn't right now, on weekends, the Universal Studios Kid Zone Pizza Company is actually open. For the first time since I started working here outside of Halloween Horror Nights. But it's not a weekend, so sorry. Here's another rarity. Schwab's is very rarely open, especially not on peak time. What's going on over here? A lot of things are opening year-round. It's pretty cool, I guess. Hong Kongers over in Seuss Landing is not open, but I don't know. Maybe someday it'll be open all year long too. And that is a look at what is new here at Universal Orlando. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos on setup of Mardi Gras, or at least a few more videos. They do set that up pretty quickly in the next few weeks, and then, well, the end of next week actually is the beginning of Mardi Gras. So, and nobody has picked up that party favor from New Year's Eve. Thanks for watching this video all the way through, and please exit through the gift shop. Okay, quick insert here. I came back later in the day. Pick is looking kind of like it's low on stock on things, and Fossil is having a sale. Interesting. That's all.